Applications of CO2 laser cutting and engraving machines have expanded into various fields. Industrial manufacturing. New energy sector. Cutting of lithium battery separators. Case study with CATL in 2022. Edge treatment of photovoltaic silicon wafers. Medical devices. Precision processing of high polymer materials such as PEEK. Creative culture. Customization of acrylic, wood, and leather products. Collaboration project with the Palace Museum Cultural Creatives in 2023. Electronics industry. Cutting of PCB circuit boards. New FR4 material cutting solution added in 2023. Risk warning. Some emerging applications, such as carbon fiber cutting, still require adjustments based on material thickness and process parameters. It is recommended that users contact the manufacturer for customized solutions.